Good morning everybody and welcome to another Techno Tuesdays, where today I'm going to talk to you about PPF. And this is not a video about putting shit on somebody's product. It is something that actually happened to me yesterday, and it's going to open a lot of people's eyes because it's something that nobody talks about, because people want to obviously sell PPF and that service. And before I get into it, disclaimer, PPF is a great product. I'm not here to put something bad on it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have it on my own cruiser. But the thing that people don't tell you about PPF is that by nature, and regardless of the film you get, whether it's top coated, they claim it's ceramic coated, hydrophobic, bulletproof, nuclear proof, whatever it is, PPF by nature is a soft material, and being soft and flexible, it makes it incredibly prone to mineral deposits, etching, and staining from bat poo and bird poo. And as you can see on the screen right now, yesterday I forgot a little bit of bird poo on my car. I wiped it off a few hours later and now it's stained permanently. And the only option I have is to now replace that film on the bonnet, or if you're in America, the hood. It doesn't look as bad on a beige car, and you might say, oh, it's just a tiny stain, who cares? But imagine that you've just had your $500,000 Porsche or Ferrari or Lamborghini or Mercedes, BMW, whatever it is, your pride and joy, you've just spent $6,000 plus wrapping it, and then you take it out within a week, a bird or a bat poos on it while you're at the beach having a coffee or wherever, and then that film is stained. And you have two choices. You either replace that bit of film at a very high cost, because you're not only paying for that film to be reapplied, you're paying for that film to be pulled off, the glue cleaned up and then reapplied, and you're also risking your paint from peeling. Now, luckily there are options to deal with this. We do have IGL Shield, which is an amazing product that is designed specifically to protect PPF from such circumstances. But unfortunately, on my Land Cruiser, this 50% of the bonnet is coated with IGL Shield for long-term review. This 50% of the bonnet is not coated because I want to do a 50-50, and the bird pooed on the part that obviously was not coated. So this is your Tuesday wisdom. If you're going to be spending thousands of dollars getting your car wrapped, make sure you coat it with IGL Shield. There are other brands out there, and there are other products that are designed for PPF coating as well, but none of them are ISO quality certified, ASTM validated, and compatible like IGL Shield is with PPF. So for a price of a few $100s extra, at least you're going to remove that ugly decision between saving money and looking at your car that you've just spent thousands of dollars on looking ugly, or peeling off that film and getting it replaced. So again, if you don't believe me, speak to your PPF applicator, but PPF is very, very prone to staining. And when it stains, you can't fix it. If this was just paint, and especially if it was ceramic coated with anything with IGL, I could have just polished it off and reapplied the coating. In 10 minutes, it looks like brand new again. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this bit of wisdom has helped you out, and looking forward to speaking to you next week.